Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through an exciting new feature in PulseGrowth, Funnel AI. Here's how you can get started. Log into your account and navigate to the Sites tab. Under the Funnels section, click Create New Funnel, and select Funnel AI and hit Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to a new window, enter your business name, and select your business niche. For this demo, we'll use Skincare Clinic. You can select your business niche depending on your own business from this list. Choose your design preferences, such as what you want your funnel to achieve, generate leads, get more appointments, showcase services, or sell products. And after that, select the tone for your content. Friendly, professional, humorous, etc. Once you've set up your preferences, click Generate and let the AI work its magic. After a few moments, the AI will create your funnel and take you directly to the page builder. Inside the builder, you'll find a fully designed page that has been generated based on the preferences you selected. This includes a well-structured header featuring relevant content and high-quality images that immediately catch the eye and set the tone for your business. Interactive buttons, strategically placed throughout the page, which you can easily customize to match your business goals, whether it's generating leads, driving bookings, or showcasing products. Additionally, the AI enhances your page with a testimonials section that adds credibility and trust. You can personalize it with your own customer reviews. A FAQs section, this can be easily edited to reflect your specific business needs, ensuring your customers have all the information they need. A footer with all the essential elements, customizable to fit your brand. For instance, if you want to tweak the footer color, simply click on it, and the builder will open the settings for that element. Choose a color that matches your brand, and you're good to go. You can edit any element you want by clicking on it to access the settings panel. This allows you to make quick adjustments to text, design, colors, or layout, ensuring everything aligns with your brand. And that's it! You now know how to use the Funnel AI feature in your PulseGrowth account. For more help, check out our support portal or reach out to us at connectedpulsegrowth.io.